Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So we're going to do a little unboxing slash unpackaging, and I ordered this from Warrior Poet Society, and this just came in the mail, and this will be for my new EDC IFAK. So here it is. This is their ankle kit, and get it directly through them. And here's the piece that goes around your ankle. So you see it shrinks up pretty small. So if you got little chicken legs, I mean, man, it'll even wrap. If you didn't need the gear, it even wrap. That's pretty tiny. So, but this is made by a company called Blue Alpha Gear, and it's made in the USA. It's a pretty decent Cordura, heavy duty, nice Velcro, breathable mesh, and on their website it says it's antimicrobial, which is pretty awesome. And then on the edges it's got these little pockets, so that's pretty sweet. Dust each side. And here's all the stuff it comes with. So this is for the bleeding control kit. It's got a cat tourniquet. It's got a 4-inch flat responder, EDD. It's got the nasal airway kit, responder compressed gauze, the NAR trauma shears, which you can kind of see the tops of them right there. That's the nasal tube. And then it's got nitro gloves, tourniquet, the wrap's in there somewhere. But anyway, this whole kit together, zero it out with the little package. So it's 14.1, so it's probably 13.9 ounces without the plastic. So anyway, I'll get it all put together and show you guys what it looks like when it's on my ankle, and see how concealed it is, even though most people ain't going to be looking at your ankles. So thanks for watching, and I'll be with you here in a little bit. All right, good morning. So here's the update on the Warrior Poet Society EDC ankle IFAK kit. Yeah, I wore this thing around all day yesterday. Super comfortable. Don't even notice it's there. Wore it around walking. I even did a little bit of jogging with it just to see and to feel. Driving. Super comfortable. So anyway, you can see it adds a little bit of bulk, not a whole lot, but it is somewhat noticeable. But yeah, if you wear low tops or looser jeans, it's probably going to be even a little less noticeable. I wear mid-top hiking boots all day, every day. If you wear skinny jeans, you're kind of out of luck anyway. And so anyway, there it is there. Super easy to get to, one-handed, and there it is. So this distributes all this stuff around your ankle, so it's less noticeable. It's better than having it all bulked up on one side. So there it is. Let's take a little bit more closer look at it here. So this whole kit, without all the packaging on it, weighs 13.2 ounces. So I was a little bit off yesterday with all the packaging, and about an ounce off. So lighter's better, right? So there it is there. Here's how I got it laid out. I got my cat tourniquet and nitro gloves on this pocket. So if you're looking at it like that, I got the medical shears, the 4-inch ETD, the emergency trauma dressing, in that pocket. And then I got the compressed gauze and the nasal airway in that pocket. It's also got these side pockets, as I showed earlier, one on each side, so you could add cuff keys, a couple folds of duct tape, money, credit card, ID if you want to carry it there. So on their website, warriorpoetsociety.com, you can buy just this piece by itself, or you could buy the whole kit like I did. You could buy all the individual pieces. If you want to personalize it, customize it, if you don't like the cat tourniquets, you want to go with like a rat tourniquet or the softie tourniquet. You don't want the shears. You can just personalize it yourself. Just buy this, and then you can buy each individual piece. I'm probably going to add the hyphen vent chest seals, and I might even add the chest decompression needle as well. So anyway, yeah, it's a great kit, really lightweight. It does add a little bit of bulk, but it's better to have all this stuff than to not have it, and you know, it's more than worth it if it comes down to possibly helping to save a life or your own. So there it is there. Appreciate you watching this. Appreciate you hanging out with me. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button to let me know you liked it, and hit that subscribe button. And if you got comments, be sure to leave them. I would like to know what you think and to hear your opinion as well. So thanks for watching. Have a good evening.